Black Mini Refrigerator by RCA. This fridge is perfect for a small office, dorm room, kitchen, or playroom. The inside area of the fridge is generous, allowing you to organize your food and drinks. The thermostat control allows you to maintain your drinks and food at the ideal temperature. The reversible door and adjustable feet allow you to put this unit in any location.
The Magic Chef 4.4 cubic foot compact refrigerator is offered in a white, black, and stainless steel look. Its sleek and space-saving design offers the storage convenience of a full-size fridge, but in a compact design that fulfills your office, dorm, or rec room needs. Form follows function thanks to its versatile storage options. With its easy clean, adjustable glass shelves, this refrigerator can be configured multiple ways to meet your needs. A large vegetable crisper drawer helps keep perishables fresh and organized. Its integrated, tiered door shelves offer plenty of space for beverages, condiments, and snacks, including a 12-ounce beverage can dispenser for convenient grab-and-go. A full-width freezer compartment is perfect for short-term storage of frozen foods. An adjustable thermostat control regulates the temperature inside the refrigerator. Plus, it's Energy Star qualified, which means year-round energy savings. Flexible placement capability with its reversible door and space-saving flush-back design. So, whether you're college-bound or looking for an office companion, this refrigerator will meet all of your needs.
GE Appliances offers a range of compact refrigerators built for years of reliable, convenient storage. These compact refrigerators feature a sturdy all-metal back and a dependable compressor. Plus, GE Appliances offers 3 models to fit any installation, including this classic 4.4 cubic foot compact refrigerator, a 3.1 model that includes a separate true freezer compartment and is available in slate, an exclusive and versatile finish that hides fingerprints and holds magnets. And for a custom look, this 5.6 cubic foot model includes great storage features and can be used as a built-in. Altogether, a compact refrigerator from GE Appliances is a smart choice for long-lasting results.
Midea 3.1 cubic feet compact refrigerator. Designed to operate with Energy Star efficiency. The Midea 3.1 cubic feet double-door compact refrigerator offers a separate fridge and freezer section with plenty of space for produce, snacks, and frozen treats, thanks to its adjustable legs and a reversible door that opens to the left or right. You can easily fit this compact fridge in any kitchen layout. The organization is made even easier with durable glass shelves, a roomy crisper drawer, and storage racks for soda cans. The mechanical temperature control lets you easily set chilling preferences, while the manual defrost setting enables hassle-free cleaning. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Perfect dimensions. The refrigerator has dimensions of 18.5 widths by 19.37 depth by 32.95 height inches. It is very convenient to place it at different places such as a garage, dorm, and office, etc. Number 2. Adjustable thermostats. The easily adjustable thermostat allows you to keep your chilled goods at their optimum temperature from 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit 50.0 degrees Fahrenheit to 1 degree Celsius 10 degrees Celsius for the fridge part and minus 11.2 Fahrenheit to 10.4 Fahrenheit minus 24 degrees Celsius to minus 12 degrees Celsius for the freezer part. Number 3. Reversible door hinge and adjustable legs. The reversible door can be installed to open either left or right, allowing you to make the most of your space, easily fit in any spot of your room. 2 adjustable front legs can stabilize your refrigerator at different heights, allowing for a snug fit all around your home. Number 4. Quieter and energy saving. The refrigerator is equipped with an advanced compressor that has an Energy Star rating, meaning your refrigerator runs both quietly and efficiently. Number 5. LED lights. Using low-energy, high-power LED lights, the refrigerator illuminates your food so you can immediately sense the freshness. Number 6. Removable shelves and 2-liter bottle rack. The refrigerator has 2 removable glass shelves, 1/2 transparent drawer, allowing you to manage its space easily to include larger or odd-shaped items. You can put your daily milk and beverage bottle into the rack. Number 7. Features adjustable legs and a reversible door that can open from left or right. Number 8. Interior light. Fresh section. 2.2 cubic feet. Freezer section, 0.9 cubic feet. Number 9. Separate fruit and vegetable drawer. Note: the internal walls of the main compartment are slightly tapered toward the back. Number 10. Full 1-year warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.